Good afternoon, everyone. This is Cody at basecamptrading.com. Just wanted to make a quick video to go over the S&P. So last week we were looking at this divergence here on the daily chart. We were making higher highs, and then momentum was about equal to slightly lower right here. And as of today, we actually have rolled over a little bit, and we're hitting the 21 simple moving average of the Keltner channel. So we are still dropping here. It could be a higher low still. We just have to see if we get bought back up or not, or if we keep dropping lower. If we do keep dropping lower, I'm going to watch for a move down to about 7,300, maybe 7,313. That's the 23.6% retracement from the up move from where we pivoted back at the end of March. But this is what the market's looking like, so we'll see how we move on Monday. If you like this kind of content and you want to check out our trading room, we do offer a $7 one month access. So you can email support@basecamptrading.com if you'd like to try that out. But thank you. Have a nice day.